Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to download Canon G4770 drivers. Okay, first link to open drivers, softwares, firmwares. Okay, and you can check your operating system Windows 10, 11, 64, 32, and like for servers like. And if you have a language, okay, then click to search. This one, click to download 92 MB. Then you guys click to download. OS system required. Click to download. Now this is downloading, so please wait few minutes. Then guys click to open. Yes. Next. Asia. Your residence, place to residence. Yeah. Okay. So now this is searching your IP address of your printers. Okay, search by IP address. This is searching your network. Search by IP address. Enter your IP address 192.168 like this. Okay. Otherwise, you can search also host name. Your means printer name to search. This is way. Okay. Okay. Thank you.